It is 100% touch probe based. So this, you would use Renishaw probes. This is 6mm ruby tip.
Okay.
And you would calibrate it with this guy here.
All right.
So you would bolt
it. So you have a calibration
Yep.
tool, and that comes with it, yes?
Yep. Yes, this comes with
Okay.
it. And you would bolt it to the table.
Yep.
You would take the point and just kind of rotate to get 16 to 20 points. Just kind of like that there.
Okay.
And then to use it, it's going to be, you know, you could make a program and run through a measurement of a part. But single measurement is how we check just, you know, standard features.
Standard features, okay.
So you would, let's just say, you know, you want the flatness of the top of this, you know, take the flatness.
Okay.
And then this is the controller for it.
Okay.
So measure is this button here. This actually acts as the mouse. So you can move stuff around while you're you know, measuring.
Okay.
But you would take your probe and just use the weight of the thing. You don't press, you just use the weight of it and just take a point. 3 points make a plane, but I always do 4.
Yeah, 4 is always better.
So the flatness of this plane is 2/10, which is an old 3-2-1 block. That's not too bad. So
all
let's
right,
say,
so we're all functional there.
Yeah.
And then, so everything that comes with this, we're going to get that computer tower.
Yep.
We're going to get this whole package here.
Yep.
Excuse me. We're going to get that gun. We're going to get that plate.
Yep.
And we're going to get this case with everything, as well as that keyboard, mouse,
Yes.
and also that touch probe
so
as
both
well.
of these probes, yeah. And what you could do is you could actually have there are 3 points here where you could screw in different probes. So
and you have a box of other styluses that comes with it as well, correct?
So it's some extra,
Yeah, we got some extra styluses,
some extra
and
there.
there's extra pieces in there.
I don't know how many of these are actually in there, but they're the
Okay, they're all
they're the
Renishaw.
serial numbers. Yeah, they're the serial numbers of the actual product.
Okay, yeah,
So
there's
that's
one
another
in there.
6 mil.
So we've got a few probes that come with it as well. Looks like we have all their original paperwork.
7, 8.
That's a pretty good size one.
Yeah. So a bunch of. Yeah. So this is a lock for this bed.
It's a lock,
So
okay.
it locks it. Well, if I can get it in the right place. So it locks it in.
Okay.
But if you've got a part that's, say, you know, a little wider.
Wider, yeah.
You can take it, have it mounted on there with these little guys here. Unlock it. And when you're moving this, it's tracking.
It tracks
it's
the
tracking
motion.
the movement of it.
Okay.
So you can measure a part that's wider.
That's really cool.
Yeah.